Hey, the snacks are gone. I don't know where all the snacks went. There used to be like a whole row of snacks.
Celeste has been like typing super loud today.
Lisa stole my signed copy by Taylor Lautner of Twilight on Blu-ray. That's theft.
There is asbestos in my soup. There's not supposed to be.
Hey, I think Alan put some of his father's ashes in a pepper shaker and he's like sprinkling it on his food. I don't want anybody else to like, unintentionally become a cannibal.
Why is there never anything I can eat here?